Certainly, I'd be happy to provide you with a detailed explanation of Ashtanga Yoga, the various chakras in the human body, and the concept of awakening the serpentine power, Kundalini, along with their benefits for human life. Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga, also known as the eight-limbed yoga, is a classical system of yoga that was outlined by the sage Patanjali in the Yoga Sutras. It offers a comprehensive approach to achieving self-realization and inner peace through 8 interconnected limbs or components. Yamas, ethical principles, these are moral guidelines that govern how we interact with the external world. They include non-violence, ahimsa, truthfulness, satya, non-stealing, aste, chastity, brahmacharya, and non-possessiveness, aparigraha. Niyamas, personal observances, these are practices that cultivate inner discipline and self-awareness. They include cleanliness, saucha, contentment, santosha, austerity, tapas, self-study, swadhyay, and surrender to a higher power, Ishwar Pranidhana. Asana, physical postures, these are the physical poses that are commonly associated with yoga practice. The practice of asana helps to prepare the body for meditation and promote overall health. Pranayama, breath control. Pranayama involves regulating the breath to control the life force energy, prana, within the body. It calms the mind, enhances concentration, and prepares for deeper meditation. Pratyahara, withdrawal of senses. This limb involves training the mind to detach from sensory distractions, turning the awareness inward. Dharana, concentration. Dharana is the practice of focusing the mind on a single point or object. This prepares the mind for deeper states of meditation. Dhyan, meditation. Dhyan involves sustained concentration on a chosen object or concept. It leads to a state of focused awareness and deep absorption. Samadhi, union. Samadhi is the ultimate goal of yoga, where the practitioner experiences a state of profound bliss, self-realization, and oneness with the universe. Chakras. Chakras are energy centers within the body, according to Indian spiritual traditions. There are 7 main chakras aligned along the spine, each associated with specific qualities and functions. They are believed to play a role in regulating physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Here is a brief overview of the main chakras. Root chakra, Muladhara, located at the base of the spine, it relates to stability, security, and the sense of being grounded. Sacral chakrara, Swadhisthana, located in the pelvic area, it is associated with creativity, sexuality, and emotions. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura, situated in the abdomen, it relates to personal power, self-esteem, and confidence. Heart chakra, Anahata, found in the chest, it governs love, compassion, and emotional balance. Throat chakra, Vishuddha, located in the throat, it's connected to communication, self-expression, and truth. Third eye chakra, Ajna, positioned between the eyebrows, it's associated with intuition, insight, and spiritual awareness. Crown chakra, Sahasrara, at the top of the head, it represents spiritual connection, enlightenment, and unity with the divine. Awakening serpentine power, Kundalini. Kundalini is often depicted as a coiled serpent located at the base of the spine. It symbolizes dormant spiritual potential that, when awakened through yoga, meditation, and other practices, rises through the chakras, leading to higher states of consciousness. Kundalini awakening is believed to bring about profound transformation and spiritual enlightenment. Benefits for human life. The practice of Ashtanga Yoga, understanding the chakra system, and awakening the Kundalini energy are believed to offer numerous benefits for human life. Physical health. Asana and pranayama improve flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. Balancing the chakras is thought to promote physical health and vitality. Mental clarity. The practice of meditation and concentration helps calm the mind, enhance focus, and reduce stress and anxiety. Emotional balance. Chakra work can lead to emotional healing and balance, fostering healthier relationships with oneself and others. Spiritual growth. Kundalini awakening is said to accelerate spiritual development, leading to self-realization and a deeper understanding of one's purpose in life. Energy flow. Balancing chakras and awakening Kundalini is believed to facilitate the harmonious flow of energy throughout the body, promoting overall vitality. Heightened awareness. As these practices deepen, individuals may experience heightened intuition, expanded consciousness, and a sense of interconnectedness. Transformation. The journey through the limbs of yoga, chakra activation, and Kundalini awakening can lead to profound personal transformation and a deeper connection with the universe. It's important to note that the practices associated with chakras and Kundalini should be approached with caution and proper guidance, as they involve working with powerful energies that can be intense and potentially overwhelming if not done properly. It's recommended to learn from experienced teachers and to approach these practices with mindfulness and respect for their potential impact on the mind and body. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do not forget to like and share. Your likes give me the motivation to make more such videos. Also, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so that you get a notification of our video upload.